Two ways to check the storage capacity on the Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or Ultra. First, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. And in here, tap on storage. At the top, it will give you the total storage space for your device. This is the total storage space. This is how much you have used up. Another way to do it is go into My Files. So from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on the Samsung folder. Then tap on My Files. In My Files, make sure you are back at My Files homepage. Go down and tap on Analyze Storage. And in here, it will give you the same information. And those are the two different ways how you can find the total storage capacity for your Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or the S22 Ultra. And that's it. You can also find that information from the internal storage at the top here. It shows you that storage and then internal storage. Internal storage is what the storage space available on your device, and it shows here 256 gigabyte. And that's it. So actually 3 different ways how you can find out. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.